My friend Joe the plumber, you've got John on your team. I'll help buy your business, the American dream. Obama's got nada to help you with taxes. With him you'll owe more, you're high in his bracket.
Joe, I've got tax cuts for you in your past. My focus, you know this, is on middle class. Those with 40K won't pay, that's a disgrace. Even Fox News knows that's not the case.
With me, we'll make houses secure in this land. With mortgages purchased, 100 mil planned. I'll balance the budget when I'm in this house. With a hatchet and scalpel to cut all the doubts.
John, what is wrong is your cold spending freeze. And Exxon Valdez cuts for those companies. I'll go line for line through the budget, indeed, and cut it while we learn to live in our means.
Yo, turn my headphones up, please. Bring that snare down. Okay, that's pretty good. My friends, I know how to save billions in cash. I stand for reform, I don't stand for the past. You won't take a stand when shove comes to push. You're 4 years too late to fight President Bush.
Of this I'm positive, your campaign's negative. It explains more about you than the way I choose to live. Attack all you want, I'll afford all you call at me. America can't afford 4 more years of poor policies.
You've spent more money on negative ads than all the combined campaigns of the past. I tried to talk open with you in town halls. You nodded your head, but you never called.
The facts remain. Ask your running mate, shall we? People shouting terrorist and kill him at her rallies. Joe Biden is one of the finest public servants, working for the middle class, honest and deserving. Michelle, you're looking great in that blue dress. You're mine, John. That doesn't make any sense, John. In the puppet ass.
Joe had that cockamamie plan in Iraq to split up 3 countries. That's way out of whack. But Americans know about Sarah Palin, reformer and role model to all women.
Back to the issue of energy here. We can gain independence in near 10 years, but we can't drill our way out. Look at the facts. We've got 5%, but we use 5 times that.
Nuclear's the nuclear solution, you'll see. That and free trade for our economy. Colombian trade, you know that we have to. You can't unilaterally renegotiate NAFTA.
Free trade is good, so long as it's fair. What's bad is the plan that you call for healthcare. 20 million citizens losing their coverage. Compare that to getting the same care as your governor.
My plan allows people to choose their own aid. And no, I don't support Roe v. Wade. Those who are pro-life see the solution. I choose for adherence to the Constitution.
Education remains the key to our economy. Credits for college students serving their communities. No child behind had the money left behind. It's going to cost cash to invest in their minds.
Spending more money is not the solution. We need new direction and new execution. I spent my whole life putting my country first. Let me serve you and you'll see the rebirth.
As your new president, I will use all of my ability to renew a spirit of sacrifice and responsibility, to build strength in our middle class again. I will work tirelessly every day for your children.